I'm here at Andaz and I just got to the Lagoon suite here, and I wanted to get a quick video before I mess it up. So here we have a great king bed, nice little sitting area. I'll go into the bathroom first. So Andaz, there's 4 different hotels here in Mayakoba, and Andaz is the latest addition to the hotels that have come to Mayakoba, and all of them are very high-end luxury brands. This one is for sure the most modern. It's going to have a little more of a lively atmosphere, party vibe, so you can see the lagoon right there, which is actually really nice to sit out here in the evening and watch the sunset. Huge area right here. And again, so these sliding doors open all the way up, so it really you can have outdoor indoor living all right here in your suite at Andaz. So again, this is Andaz Mayakoba, and I am in a Lagoon suite.